top foods for energy. So the top 8 foods for energy. There may be a couple of surprises in here, a couple of foods that you may not expect. So we're talking about the top 8 foods for energy. Let me tell you, oatmeal. Oatmeal is great, especially if you soak oats the night before. So soaking them in a little bit of coconut water or water before you cook them is a fantastic way to bring energy into the body. Oats can make you feel nice and full for a long period of time. A little bit of pinch of salt, fantastic source of vitamin B, and vitamin B is a really good source of energy. Eggs are also good. So if you are not vegan, you will find a big difference for eggs that you are having produced at a farm right next to you. I've got amazing source of eggs right next door from this lovely lady who's got really fantastically happy hens. And eggs are 30% protein. So having a good amount of protein and fat at every meal is going to give you lots of energy, help you feel full. Natural yogurt is also excellent for energy. Once again, it's got the protein, and I'll tell you a little bit of a tip. 1/2 or 1/4 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper in that yogurt and 1 drop of lemon essential oil. That's a doTERRA fantastic oil, really good to add into your yogurt, and it's very low in sugar. It really fires up the digestive enzymes, fires up the good probiotics for your gut, and helps you feel great. Shrimps, interestingly enough, very high in B12. That's a really good source of energy. Also kombucha. Kombucha is, if you're vegan, you can make your own source of B12 by brewing your own kombucha, and have a look on my website because I can certainly help you on how to do that. Hummus is a great source of energy, and especially if you're soaking your chickpeas first. So if you are removing the phytic acid that exists in the chickpeas by soaking them for 12 hours with a capful of apple cider vinegar, like 2 dessert spoons of apple cider vinegar in with that water, and then rinse them off very well, remove that phytic acid and the digestive enzymes, and they will be really very, very good for energy. And you can also add in some really good fats, add some flaxseed oil or some avocado oil, make that taste delicious. A little bit of paprika, a little bit of cumin powder, really make that taste delicious. Strawberries, it's a great time of the year for strawberries in England, and fantastic for boosting energy, great for antioxidants, and making your own smoothie bowls with some acai berries, beautiful way to boost your energy levels. Spinach is fantastic for the mitochondria, packed with magnesium and potassium. Fantastic for bringing energy into the cell, the center of the cell, the mitochondria. This is where we make our energy, so that's really good to giving your cells the ingredients that it needs to boost the energy. Bananas are fantastic source of energy. Perfect for a quick snack before you go for a walk or out to the gym. Once again, packed with potassium, and potassium is needed at that cellular level to boost the energy. So making sure you're adequately hydrated, drinking plenty of water during the day, and a quick pick-me-up, a cacao smoothie with 1 drop of peppermint oil is also great. So have a look at the recipe that I'm going to post below. Really good for boosting energy and using some of those ingredients. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. If you've got any questions, let me know. See you later.